Hey, welcome to another battling grammar video. In this video we are going to look at the special rule called harden. Now this special rule is shown on the cards with these four bricks kind of stacked together, and this menacing stone bear is one of the first cards that has this special rule. It is another defense special rule, so it's used mainly when a card is activated during defense. So let's have a look at what is going on with this card. So here we have a bit of a game in progress. We have got a player at the top, let's call them the blue player, and we have a player at the bottom, let's call them the red player. Now the red player has just played a preposition, and if we expand this we can have a look at the card. Now you'll see at the top it has this special symbol which tells us that this mighty stone bear has the harden special ability. Now this card is mainly used for defense, although it has some attack. The harden special rule really works in defense, and it works by leaving the card out for as long as possible as it gathers power and it gathers stones and it gathers its defense to basically harden and make itself a much harder nut to crack. So what would happen is the red player would play this card and say, I'm not attacking with anything, I'm going to leave it there. Now let's imagine that the blue player plays. They may play some cards. Let's just take for in this instance that they don't attack the red player. It is then back to the red player's turn, and at the beginning of each of the red player's turn, while this card or any card that has the harden special ability is out in the battle arena that has been played, at the beginning of their turn they're going to take one of these harden tokens and place it on the bear. Okay, so with the harden special ability at the beginning of your turn, if you have any cards that have the harden special ability in play already, so not in your hand but actually in play, place a harden token on that card or next to it, whatever you fancy. So let's take for instance that this preposition, this stone bear, has been out for 2 turns already, so it has got 2 harden tokens on it. It would then be the blue player's turn, and let's say in this case that the blue player is going to choose to attack. So it pushes its card forward to say, I'm going to attack, and the red player says, fine, I will defend with my preposition in. So you push your preposition forward. Now once again we need to activate these creatures to give them their power words so they can go and battle each other. So let's say for the blue player we need a noun, let's say pen, why not? And for the preposition, the red player, they would need to give a preposition. Let's go for old reliable, under. Okay, then we would compare the attack and the defense values. So the noun has 7 attack and the preposition has 5. Now what you would do then is add 2 defense to this card for every hardened token that it has. So basically each hardened token is worth 2 more defense. So in this case the stone bear has 5 defense naturally. You'd add 2 defense power for this token, which would bring its total up to 7 defense, and you would add another 2 defense for the second hardened token that is on it, which would bring its total up to 9. So 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9. So in this case the defense power of the preposition would be 9 instead of 5 because it has those defense tokens on it, and the noun has an attack of 7. So in this case the noun attacks the preposition, but the preposition's defense is now higher, therefore the red player doesn't take any damage. And that's how the harden special rule works. It is one of those special rules that means it's for defense, and the longer you leave a monster out that has the harden special ability, the higher defense it will have when it is finally activated. Now if this preposition is used to attack, these harden tokens have no effect on its attack value. And that is how we use the harden special rule. So it's all about defense as these creatures get stronger and stronger as the longer they stay out. Okay, so until next time, keep battling, keep grammaring, have fun, and I'll see you on the next video.